Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is PJ. As you guys know, in this channel we used to drop different strategy on boom and crash and step index. So guys, today I've bring another wonderful strategy for you guys so that you guys can enjoy a successful trade every day in trading boom and crash. So guys, see, with only moving average you can take up to 30 candlestick, and you can also use this strategy to catch up a spike. What you just need to do is to watch this video to the end and have access to this strategy and the settings, and you can trade with this. So guys, let me show you an example of what I'm talking about. You see, I'm only having three important moving average here. I'm only having moving average of 144. I'm having moving average of 200, and I'm having moving average of 10. You see, these three moving average is very important. The first moving average of 10 is this, and my moving average of 144 is this, and my 200 moving average is this. This is very important. You see, anytime we are having a moving average of 10 that is crossing over a moving average of 144, like what we have here, is giving us a uptrend move. But you are not going to be entered an uptrend move at this particular moment because you don't have the confirmation yet. So you need to wait till this moving average is crossing the 200 moving average. You see, at this level you need to wait for this level before you can confirm that this moving average is on a uptrend. You see that? So once you confirm that particular time, then you see what happened in the market. The market keep on skyrocket on the uptrend. You see, your entry is going to be on this particular side. I'm not telling you that you are not going to run in a loss for some times. You are going to run for some loss on this time for you to gain access to a lot of profits. That is normal in trading. You have to give time for your trade to run in loss little bit before you can run in profit. But you cannot just pace a trade and expect that trade to keep on running in a profit like that for long period of time. No, it doesn't work like that. So sometimes there is a reverse in the market, and there's always something you have to give chance for in the market. You see now, when you enter at this particular level now, you see the market run on a down loss now before starting giving you on a spike trend before you starting making your profits. So guys, today you see now, don't worry, I'm going to show you the settings of this strategy, but let me explain how this strategy really works. The first thing you need to, if you are going on a downtrend on boom 1000 1 minute time frames, what you need to wait for is to wait for this moving average of 10 that is crossing this 144 moving average. This is going to give you a confirmation that we are going to be having a downtrend, but you are not going to enter this downtrend at this particular moment. What you need to wait for is to wait for that green line, which is the moving average of 10, to cross over the 200 moving average. You see, this is the right time for you to enter. So when you enter this market at this particular time, you keep on taking down you enter at this particular level, you keep on taking your profits. Yeah, it spike little bit, you see, the reverse still remain the same at this level, and before it's giving you a great profit you can make. You see, with this strategy you can catch up just 20 to 30 candlestick without making any loss. You see, but I told you guys that sometimes in the market there must be a time you give room for your trade to run in loss before you run in profits. You see, that's another strategy. But anytime it's not giving you a confirmation like what we're having at this particular time, you see, there's no confirmation yet, don't enter the market. Wait for it to confirm, and when it's confirmed, then this is the best time for you to enter your market. You see now, let me show you the first entry that we are going to be having. You see, this is one of our first entry at this level. You see, one of our first entry. That's entry number 1. We have made the profit there, and we have another entry at this particular level. Entry 2, at this particular level, you see that you make it another profit on a downtrend at that level. So let's check some other thing that we need to do. So like this kind of a trade now, you don't need to take it because it is not fully confirmed by you. You see that it's not fully confirmed, but what you need to wait and confirm is this level. This level, you see this 2 level, you see that 2 level. So let me show you again. You see that 2 level, that these are the 2 level you need. You see this place and this place. So the first confirmation is going to give you when the red cross the blue line, that is going to give you that you are going on a uptrend, but you are not going to enter until you have that green crossing the black line here, which is the 200 moving average. You see it cross it from this level, and when you enter at this level, because of this spike now, you might not be able to enter at this level. You might enter your trade at this level. You see now it gives room for your markets to what, to go on a loss for some times before giving you a what, a successful what, a successful profit. So guys, this is exactly how this strategy really works. It works more perfect. You see, this one of the sample that I told you guys to note about. You see the 10 moving average will cross the this particular level, and I told you guys that you don't enter your market at this level until you have it on this level. But this one is going to give you a confirmation that we are going on a what, on a downtrend, and you wait for it to what, to confirm it from this level. You wait for it to confirm it from this level, and so this will be your what, your entry point. And when you keep on what, you keep on running on profit, spike little bit on a downtrend, that's how you will keep on what, moving. But at the end of the trade, you keep on running on a what, on a downtrend. So guys, let me show you the settings of this strategy, because many people will have been asking show me this strategy. So for the strategy, you only need the 3 important moving average I told you guys. The first one is the period of 5. You see the period of 5, sorry, that is in period of 5, not 10 again, is 5. So I have the shift to be 0, I have the methods to be smoothed, and I have the apply to close. Then you press on done when you choose your color. Then the second moving average is the period of 144. You see you have the shift of 0, we have our methods to be linear weight, that is it. So then you choose your color and press on done. So we have the third moving average, we have the period of 200, and we have our shift to be 0, we have our methods to be simple, and we have our color to be black and apply to be close. So you press on done. So let the 3 moving average be on your main chart. Let it be on your main chart by clicking on this particular F symbol. So let it be on your main chart. So this is exactly how you can accomplish your trading every day. Guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we do another best strategy for you guys. Thanks.